Hey guys, what's going on? So rather than clipping it today, I'm gonna do this because it happened so fast. But yesterday I took my car out. We went down to a location down somewhere in Mexico. It was pretty far away. It was like 45 minutes away. And ran that 6466 auto twin turbo Mustang again. From what I understand and heard, there were some kinks in it the last time we ran. I'll put the first run in the after, so you can like click the text box to watch it if you want. So I ran this thing before. It wasn't totally turned up, and we tried running it back tonight, but I think it might have some kind of suspension issue or something's adjustment or whatever. From what I understand, I don't know Mustang terms, but I think he's got 5 settings, and he tried 5 and it wasn't hooking or something like that. So then he put it on 4, and we did like a 65, 60 roll. So I started in 3rd gear, no anti-lag, nothing. But I turned mine. So the last race, I wasn't turned up all the way. I think it was at like 30 pounds-ish, 30, 31. So this one, has several more PSI in it. So being the fact he turned his up, and I'm sure a 6466 twin turbo auto Mustang can make a lot of power with those turbos. So wanted to, I didn't know how much power he's gonna have. So I came out on a pretty high horsepower map, and I'll let you guys watch the video after this, but it will just draw in after this. But obviously, like the car definitely saw, some a little bit of rain on the way home. It's like it got pretty messy, dirty. So this car really doesn't see rain much and all that, but I don't know how well it's picking up. But it got pretty dirty. So might need a wash today. But yeah, cool. Here's the video.